Struggling to complete Harrison's Principles of Internal Medicine before exams? Finding it tough to revise along with hectic duties? Then you're in the right place. Welcome to Mastering Medicine with Harrison, where I simplify complex medical concepts from standard textbooks like Harrison's, integrating them with clinical cases and real-world applications. But that's not all. I also bring in perspectives on health and medicine, along with trending medical topics, so you get a well-rounded approach to learning. My goal is to help you grasp, retain, and apply this knowledge effortlessly so you can revise medicine just by watching in your free time. My posting schedule 2 full-length videos per week, Monday and Thursday. In-depth medical topics, Harrison-based discussions, clinical cases, YouTube shorts throughout the week, MCQs, high-yield topics, trending medical news, Ayurveda concepts, and quick clinical insights. Even with a packed schedule, you'll always have quick, valuable learning content. If you're a medical student, resident, or doctor who wants to master medicine efficiently, this channel is for you. From Harrison-based learning to Ayurvedic insights, from clinical case discussions to trending medical topics, you'll find everything you need to stay ahead. Subscribe now and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's make learning engaging, effective, and clinically useful. Drop a comment below and tell me which topic in medicine or Ayurveda you want me to cover. I'll include it in my next video. See you in the next lesson. Let's make medicine